Hi, my name is Mallory Lavoie. I'm a special education major at Tarleton. Today I'll be doing my strategies demonstration on 5th grade science. My strategy is the $2 summary. The idea is to have each word is worth 10 cents, and you're supposed to have somewhere in between 18 or 22, ideally 20, hence the 2 cents. One of the reasons I chose this strategy was because in college, once I got to college and I started reading textbooks and articles and had no clue what I was reading, I started doing my own little summary on the side. I would write a little note and kind of just turn into little summaries, and I put it into my own words, which is what I think is really unique about this strategy is whenever they summarize a segment of information that they've read, they can summarize it in their own words, and it's their idea, and it makes more sense. And that's one of the positive benefits of this strategy. It also incorporates math, and it's a great start for learning to read a reading strategy. One of the downsides is it could be difficult for some students. They might really focus on the fact that they have to get those 20 words. So I could see that being a struggle. But anyway, I'm going to be using the Scott Forsman textbook, and I'm going to read a segment from it on page 91, and it is how radiant energy moves. So, radiant energy from the sun includes infrared heat rays that warm you, ultraviolet rays that cause you to sunburn, invisible light that lets you see. All types of radiant energy travel in waves. Unlike water waves you see at the beach or sound waves that carry sound to your ears, radiant energy waves can travel where there is no matter. The sun's radiant energy travels through space to reach Earth. Okay, what? So, what we're going to do for that is summarize it. And I kind of already wrote my own summary, and it took a while because if I was a 5th grader and I read that, I would have no clue what any of that meant to me, just reading it all in one part. So I summarized it, and I got 19 words in my summary. And I said, radiant energy is heat waves. The rays come from the sun. These rays are measured in wavelengths. So I just kind of wrote my own summary for it. It's so simple, really. But it's so helpful for me especially, and for younger students who are learning to read. There's that barrier once you get to 3rd, 4th grade, you're no longer learning to read, you're reading to learn, and a lot of times that's not easy. So summarizing what you've read and putting it into your own perspective with anything, really. I've done this with assignments where a teacher gives me a rubric or a syllabus and I rewrite it for myself. So that is why I chose this strategy, and again, very, very easy rules. Each word is worth 10 cents. Ideally, you get at 20 words. Sometimes that's a little hard though, but it does make it a little bit more of a challenge at first. But the ideal later down the road is that they can keep it under 20 words and write notes to themselves as they're reading that kind of summarize the text and allow them to find more depth in their meaning or within the text. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck to you all.